is a place that keeps adults out of nursing homes and with their families. Now, the company that owns this healthcare center wants to close down. Elle McLogan covers Queens and says the community tells her closing this center in Rockaway Park would be devastating.
Leaning on his neighbor, Gene Fitch, David Paller keeps up his strength with walks around the block in Rockaway Park.
We're waiting for a new medication.
For his COPD and other health issues, Paller relies on the Neponset Adult Day Health Care Center, a medical model facility with group activities, hot meals, and support for conditions including Alzheimer's and incontinence.
It's a family, it's connections. They have a nurse on premises, a physical therapist on premises.
This keeps people out of nursing homes, and they help maintain their dignity.
But it may not be an option much longer, since the New York City Health and Hospitals Corporation announced plans to close the facility as soon as this month, citing low demand. Health and Hospitals, which is the largest municipal health system in the country, says Neponset holds 50, but only has a daily attendance of about 15.
This program is a crown jewel for HHC, so they should be lauding it and trying to support it instead of trying to shut it down.
Andrew Falzone's late father got support for his dementia at Neponset. He says Health and Hospitals has suppressed attendance there by restricting admissions and insurance coverage. Health and Hospitals did not address our questions about admissions, but said in a statement in part, we continue to connect current registrants and their families to other providers. Fitch says the peninsula is already underserved. She worries she'll have to help Paller get all the way to Canarsie for comparable care.
You cannot be on a bus traveling 40 minutes for a medical daycare.
Paller's goal is to build the strength to reach the boardwalk on foot this summer. He says he can't get there without Neponset. In Queens, Elle McLogan, CBS News, New York.
Elle lives in Queens and she covers the borough for us. If you have a story idea that you'd like to share, scan the QR code there on your screen.